Hello everyone, good evening and happy Wednesday evening. So it's a very nice weather here tonight and walang ulan, napakaganda ng panahon, ang sarap gumala. We are here on the 15th floor. Nakakalula. So we are still here and we are still until 24th on the Christmas Eve, and we might be in Davao on the 25th. So, see you there all. Merry Christmas to everyone. Ang sarap gumala. Ganda ng Maynila. Sana all. See you there on Christmas Day. So, talagang that's life. Nakaka-stress. Ang daming ginagawa. Parang give up na ako, but kailangan gawin natin ito. So, everyone, nandito kami ngayon. In front of this is the Robinson's Place, Manila. So, when you go out, nandito lang po kami. Tatawid-tawid lang. So, if you wanna eat, punta lang kami sa mall. Then, wala nang sakay-sakay, wala nang taxi-taxi. So, napakadali lang para sa amin. So all my friends, if you wanna stay here in Manila and if you are looking something to stay na medyo mura lang, just let me know and I will give you this place. So business muna tayo. So in front of this place, ito yata yung what we call this, Hotel Nobleza, if I'm not mistaken. And in front of this building is the Sheraton Hotel. So napakalapit lang, pagbaba mo, tawid ka lang, is the Robinson's Place, Manila. So to all my friends, just let me know. And usap tayo. business tayo ng konti. So my friends, see you there on Monday next week. Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year. Nandito kami hanggang December 24 hanggang December 24. And namimiss ko na ang Davao, namimiss ko na ang Dorian. Dito lahat bibilhin mo. So my friends, nandito kami kasi ang daming mga inaasikaso. Meron lang konting kailangan dapat natin gawin. So we will see you all on Monday. So Merry Christmas everyone and a Happy New Year. God bless all and bye-bye muna. Bye-bye! Ang ganda ng Maynila. Ang ganda there. Oh, ito yung Hotel Nobleza, if I'm not mistaken. So, bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. Mwah. See you there. Bye. See you next week. Bye.